Getting a scratch disk error in Adobe Photoshop? This quick tutorial will show you how to fix it and get back to your work. A scratch disk is the hard drive Photoshop uses as temporary memory when your system RAM is not enough. When that disk runs out of space, Photoshop can slow down, crash, or fail to open. First, check your available disk space. Photoshop needs a significant amount of free space to work properly. Aim for at least 100 gigabytes of free space on your main drive. Delete unused files, empty your trash, and restart Photoshop once you have cleared space. If freeing up space is not enough, you can change or add a scratch disk in Photoshop. On macOS, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Scratch Disks. From here, you can enable another internal or external drive with more available space. Make sure the selected drive has plenty of free storage, click OK, and restart Photoshop. Next, optimize Photoshop performance settings to reduce scratch disk usage. Open Preferences and select Performance. Lower the number of history states to reduce how much temporary data Photoshop stores. Fewer undo steps can significantly improve performance. Then go to Preferences and open File Handling. Enable Automatically Save Recovery Information to help protect your work when using large files. If the issue continues, resetting Photoshop preferences can help. First, quit Photoshop completely. Then relaunch it while holding Shift, Option, and Command on macOS. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the current preferences. Photoshop will open with default settings, and you can reconfigure them as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.